Click on the link below to get price. The ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults is an impressive option for those seeking a reliable and efficient mode of transportation. With its 468Wh removable built-in battery, this bike offers a commendable balance between performance and convenience. The first thing that stands out is its sleek design, which seamlessly integrates a modern aesthetic with practicality. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, allowing for easy handling and maneuverability, making it suitable for both urban commuting and leisurely rides. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its battery. The 468Wh capacity provides ample power for long rides, enabling distances of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode. The removable battery is a game-changer. It allows for easy charging while keeping the bike secure. This feature is particularly beneficial for urban dwellers who may not want to lug the entire bike inside every time they need to recharge. The ACTBEST Core is equipped with a powerful motor that delivers a peak power output, ensuring a smooth and efficient ride even on inclines. Riders can choose from multiple levels of assistance, which enhances versatility and allows for a tailored riding experience. Whether you prefer a gentle pedal or a burst of speed, this bike accommodates your needs seamlessly. Comfort is another important aspect where this bike excels. It features an adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars that make longer rides enjoyable. The built-in suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smooth ride over uneven terrain. Although the bike's assembly may require some effort, the quality of the components used is evident. From the brakes to the gears, each part works harmoniously together, enhancing the overall riding experience. In conclusion, the ACTBEST Core Electric Bike for adults stands out as a robust and reliable choice for anyone looking to embrace electric biking. Its blend of performance, convenience, and design makes it a worthy investment for commuters and leisure riders alike.